In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Ads campaign, a skill that's crucial for any business looking to boost its online presence and reach more customers. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Google Ads website. This platform is designed to help businesses attract new customers and increase sales through online advertising. So, open your web browser and type in the URL to navigate to Google Ads. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in to your account. If you already have a Google account, it should be a breeze. Just click on the sign in button, which you can find at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login details and you should be ready to go. If you don't have an account yet, now's a good time to set one up. Just follow the prompts to create your new account. Once logged in, you'll land on the Google Ads homepage. This is your central hub. Think of it as your campaign command center. Here you'll find an overview of your existing campaigns, performance metrics, and lots of useful insights, but today we're focused on creating something new. To get started with a new campaign, look for the campaigns option in the navigation menu. Clicking here takes you to a page dedicated to managing all your advertising campaigns. It's from this page that you can track, adjust, and create campaigns. So get comfortable with this area as it will be your go-to from now on. Now, to create a brand new campaign, you'll need to click on the New Campaign button. It's usually highlighted to catch your attention, so it shouldn't be hard to find. Clicking this will take you to a setup wizard designed to simplify the process of creating a campaign. This wizard will guide you through each step of the creation process, asking for details like your campaign goal, budget, targeting options, and ad format. This is where you get to customize your campaign according to your business needs. Remember, take your time during this step to ensure everything aligns with your business goals and budget. You'll have options to define your target audience by demographics or interests, choose where you want your ads to appear, set a spending limit, and create the actual advert content. These components are crucial to a campaign's success, so make sure everything is spot on, and there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating your very own Google Ads campaign. Be sure to review everything before you finalize your campaign, and don't forget to monitor its performance once it's live. Small adjustments over time can lead to much better results. Thanks for tuning in, and best of luck with your online advertising endeavors.